Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about domain and range of tan inverse x under the topic inverse trigonometric functions. To get the domain and range of tan inverse x, we must know two things about the trigonometric function tan x. The first thing is the graph of the trigonometric function, and second the domain and the range of the trigonometric function tan x. This is the graph of the tan x function, and the domain of the tan x function is r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to the set of integers and the codomain is the set of real numbers. From this graph we can say that the trigonometric function tan x is a many-one function, and since the range of this function is minus infinite to plus infinite, that means the range is the set of real numbers and the given codomain is also the set of real numbers. Therefore it is a onto function. So we can say that the tan x is a many-one and onto function. Now we want to convert this function in form of a bijective function, and we know that a function is said to be a bijective if it is 1 1 and onto. It is already an onto function. Now we shall restrict the domain of this function in such a way that it becomes a 1 1 function. To convert this function into a 1 1 function, from this graph, if we take the domain from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 in an open interval, or if we restrict the domain of this function from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 in an open interval, then this function can be easily converted into an 1 1 function if the domain of this function is restricted by this condition. Then tan x becomes a 1 1 function. There are so many branches also using which we can convert this function into an 1 1 function, but here we take a principal branch of this function. So if the function tan x defines from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that means we are consider this portion of the graph minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and for this portion of the graph tan x will become a 1 1 and onto function. For these conditions, the trigonometric function tan x will become a bijective function, and bijective function is also an invertible function. Since tan x is invertible under the given conditions, so its inverse will exist and is denoted by tan inverse x. Since tan x defines from this set to this set, therefore its inverse will define from r to an open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore inverse of tan x is defined from r to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Therefore the domain of tan inverse x is equal to r, and the range of tan inverse x is equals to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 in an open interval. Similarly, we can find the domain of cot inverse x, which is equals to the set of real numbers, and the range of cot inverse x is 0 to pi.